Struggling to extract text from images or scanned PDFs? Say hello to the instant text extraction using Wave PDF software. Let's extract a portion of the text from this PDF. Click on this Capture Text button and select the portion of the text from the screen that you want to extract. After text extraction, click on this Remove Line Break checkbox, which will remove all unnecessary line breaks. Now, copy this text and paste anywhere. This is how simple the text extraction is using Wave PDF Editor. Let's capture bigger text portion from the PDF. Now, remove the line breaks and copy the text. And there it is. The text is instantly captured and ready for you to copy, edit, or save. No more manual retyping. Send us a request on vibrantwaves28@gmail.com or WhatsApp to get a 3 months trial completely free.